Nowadays, there are various platforms that allow you to easily design apps, often for free. To make your digital heritage tour a memorable experience, explore the following tools. Actionbound. Create interactive bounds that add a gamified twist to any tour. Guidemates. Perfect for crafting audio tours that enhance the listener's experience. How to build an effective digital interpretation tour. Stay grounded in real space. When designing digital tours, keep participants engaged in the actual setting. For best results, limit text lengths to roughly 1 minute of reading, about 200 words, and audios to 2.5 minutes or less to maintain focus on the surroundings. This way, your tour will feel dynamic without pulling participants away from the environment itself. Use audios also in the way that allows people from different backgrounds to share their experiences. This approach encourages empathy and expanded worldviews. Boost engagement with gamification elements like quizzes, geocaching, or puzzles, which enrich tours, adding excitement while enhancing retention. The addition of games brings content to life. You can even incorporate mini escape room activities for extra adventure. Place your learning content in an emotional context. Use hands-on experiences and engage as many senses as possible for maximum impact. Emotional connection. Heritage interpretation is not just informative. It adds depth, enabling people to connect personally with heritage and find meaning in its stories. Remember to include value-based elements that encourage individuals to interpret these resources by themselves. Enhance the experience with augmented reality, AR, and interactive sliders. Let participants experience hidden phenomena such as historical reconstructions or rare species. These digital tools make learning vivid by blending the real and virtual, sparking curiosity and encouraging deeper engagement. Key success factors for heritage interpretation app tours from student evaluations are the following: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths. Elements like storytelling, character-led narratives, quizzes, and interactivity bring tours to life. Weaknesses. Long texts, app glitches, and extensive tours can detract from the experience. Opportunities. The push for digital learning opens new possibilities for creative tour design. Threats. Fast-paced tech evolution means tools need regular updates to stay relevant. Essential takeaways for heritage interpretation tours. Choose content that resonates with the audience and fits the heritage theme. Combine storytelling, audio, and gamified elements for an engaging experience. Present content multi-sensory and multi-perspective to connect emotionally. Link tangible and intangible elements to create an immersive journey. Design with interactivity and personal reflection in mind. Now, create your heritage tour using these insights and remember to evaluate it afterward to continue improving.